We're close enough. This thing can't zoom in, can it? I just think we don't know how to use it. I don't know if viewers can see it. There's actually two birds there. I'm not going to say the name of the bird, but there are two birds there staying very close to each other. Looks like they're having their own picnic over there. The two birds. Just like we're having our own picnic here. Two birds. Us. Two birds. Us. Well, one's moving away, one's getting shy. Okay, let's step back, step back. Oh, they're both moving away. Oh, look at them. They're a team. Oh, I know what's happening here. They're having a date. The two birds are having a date. And you know what they say? Third is a company. The good company. So here I am moving towards them. Yep. This is a public park. So there's no naughtiness here. Get a room, you two. Oh, look at them getting shy now. Oh, the two birds getting shy. Oh, they're off. Okay then, we're off too. Let's head back to base camp. This is our base camp. Just to show you what we have at our base camp. Obviously, plenty of food, a battery charger for our iPhone, a Surface, hard drive, the bag, more bag, hot water bottle, cold water bottle, plenty of food, and what is this? It's KFC, and this is how we do picnic. Not really. We just didn't make any sandwiches, so we just went to KFC. That's all it is. And it's actually, well, there's some rubbish in there, but the fries is in here, the chicken is here. Yeah, so it's not finished. So we're gonna take this home. We'll leave no rubbish behind in this park, none whatsoever. Take everything home. We'll put everything in the bin when we get home. All the rubbish and all the good stuff, we keep it. Oh, look, the bird's heading towards the overgrow. Oh, wonder what they're gonna be up to in there. Oh, she's a bit reluctant to go in. He's heading towards it. Oh, let's give him a little bit of privacy. Oh, no privacy needed. Oh, he's spearheading in front. Oh, she's a bit reluctant. She's not sure. Should I go or should I not go? Are we at that stage yet? Oh no, let me hurry up a little bit. That man's following me again. What do I see? It's a pigeon in the back. Oh no, oh, they flew away. Oh, now they're calling each other. They flew into that tree. I'll leave them alone in that tree. I think they just took my message of getting a room. That's their type of room. So I'll leave them alone. Do their business. You know, once they're done, 2 go in, 3 or 4 comes out. So, no, I can't see any. Oh, did they just flow to the other tree? I don't know, I can't tell. But the main thing is, they moved their business into a dark area. Good for them. But I can hear them calling each other though. They go, oh, they go. There they are. There they are. Now they're just chasing each other. I think that's called courtship. They're courting now. They're chasing each other. Yeah. He's chasing her. She's running away from him. Yeah. That's the bird's well. Shame. she can't file sexual harassment. Doesn't work like that. But they're gone now. Oh, no, no. Are they back? Are they back? I can hear them. They might be back. Or it's just some other bird calling. Oh, the birds everywhere. Oh. No, they're coming back. Like I seen them from a distance. Oh, that's a different type of calling. Oh, there they are. Wait a second. Whoa, what's going on here? There seems to be more than 2 birds. Whoa, there you go. You see that? So they're just flying out. Told you, didn't I? 2 goes in, about 4 comes out. Man, this is serious. Whoa, 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 whoa. There's some serious stuff going on in there. I think that's what they call group activity. Viewers, I bet you tune into this lovely channel at the right time and right day. You can see some, like, you know, geographical bird stuff with David Attenborough. Not as good as him, but we are getting there. So, this is the male calling the female, the mating call. Will the female answer? Yes, she will. Okay, you better Google Translate that yourself. Ooh. The mating call has stopped. Unfortunately, on this incident. Oh no, he's still trying. Is she replying? No, connection is broken.